Time. Sometimes I feel there just isn't enough in a day. There's so much to do at home, at work, and everywhere in between. I was struggling to make enough time, especially for myself, and the signs were beginning to show. So, I decided to make a change. Thought I'd take up running to get some much needed me time. That's when I discovered Mobiefit. They have these really simple running training programs that I could do at my own pace, wherever and whenever I want. The best thing about it doesn't eat into my precious time. Just 30 to 35 minutes a day, 3 days a week, and that's it. I'd never run before, so I started with their beginner 5K program with Kulpanag. Her audio instructions helped me get started, and the detailed training videos were a great safety net for running without injuries. It's just been a month, and I've already lost a couple of kilos. I feel younger, look better, and have more energy. I feel I can almost bend time to my will now.